Say a couple words here. How much you love this Mark III.
No comment.
You just did a tune without having to do anything but spark plugs.
And he's smiling about the Mark III.
11:17 to be exact. We got to be up in about 3 hours. We are driving to the East Bay, Hayward to be exact. We're going to meet up with Chris and a bunch of other super junkies. We got Mao here. We got Alex, my brother. That's Zay Livin, a Boosted 10, and Dr. Ace 86, and obviously your boy Gangsta DDS. We're all about to hit up Shift Sector and maybe try to knock out by midnight. Another, 45 minutes? Maybe get 3 hours of rest, and then off to the East Bay. I'll keep y'all posted. We're on about 2 hours sleep right now, but we're loading everything up, trying to get ready and be out of here by 4. So, yeah, got the coffees ready. And, you know we got to rock this Pablo Walker shirt right here. All right, dude, how you feeling?
Where's it?
Nice shirt, dude. I like that shirt.
You like it?
353. Yeah, dude. It looks really good.
I like it too.
Yeah. Morning. How are you guys?
Chief. Okay. All right, though.
How you doing, Chris? Good to see you. From here to Wesley's gonna be like an hour. What's the plan?
Wesley, gas station.
Okay.
We're gonna
All right.
meet all the SAC guys up with us.
Highway
580 to 5. Exit Howard, make a left. Gas station and McDonald's is together.
Let's dip. First stop?
Yeah.
All right. Where we at?
I don't know.
What up, what up?
Walkie-talkies?
Channel 5.
Channel 5? Wait till you see the setup at the track.
It's
Built 2J and the twin GT35R turbos.
And then the boost ramped up all the way up to 49. And it came in at 1275 and I was like, yeah, that's it.
wow. All right. First stop. Made it out here. Should be rolling about 8 cars deep. Warming up, getting ready to dip. Got about a 2-hour drive left to make it out to Coalinga and start the event. Shift Sector, here we come. Yes. Let's get it, let's get it.
I'll bet that's him right there in the middle, right next to the right. You guys listen. Is that the ground group right here? Wrong. Oh, that was the...
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the RX-7 on the Mark III?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's Brian.
There they go. There we go. Good job. Yes.
Slow down. Yeah, you slow down.
For the 93 Supras for some reason. And 151.5 for the 91.
We got about 2 or 3 passes in per car. This one here, the fans didn't even turn on, so this one overheated. That's a bummer. overall, we ran low passes, low boost passes, and but we got room for more. So we're gonna try to grab a bite. We got the folks on the grill right now, so we're gonna go ahead and eat, and then fire the cars back up and go out for some more runs.
Almost twice as fast as that.
Send it, Ron.
That is.
Is that it right there? Yeah.
You can see that in person. The Riff coming back. The Riff at the airstrip. These two big badass. He's been pretty fast all week. 136 very fast.
So why don't you give us a rundown, Mo, of what just happened?
Ask Ron.
Well, I knew he was tuned at 49 pounds.
Right. So the catch can is full, so it's blowing oil out. So
Yeah.
just needs to cool it off, you know, clean it up, and it should be okay. Part of the race car.
Give it. Yeah. Because race car.
Yeah.
Do it.
How we do?
151.
151. Nice.
Yeah.
All right. You gonna do another pass?
Maybe. We'll see.
Okay.
already lined up. Let's go.
Oh, cross thread.
It was full, huh?
It was full.
Yeah.
Yep.
I like it.
No doubt.
Yeah. It's tight.
Yeah. Both of them.
91 Supra, 900 horse, put it best to 177.3. So
There he goes. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. How'd you do?
177.3.
Wow.
Best pass of the day.
Very impressive.
It's only gonna get better. Hopefully 180.
You're gonna get another run in?
Another 2 or 3.
Okay, great.
177. Yes, sir. Hey, Nico, I gotta put this thing back in.
Sure. Go give him a sock.
I gotta tighten up the clamp.
Chris, hey, it was a plan. No, thank you, bro. Like, thanks for inviting us. How'd you feel overall? It was good. Yeah, you're gonna feel it.
Overall, everyone,
Yo, we gotta give him a visit once we finish our cars over to over Milpitas.
All right.
We'll bring our cars over so you can check them out. Yeah. All right, man.
All right, man.
Well, again, thank you. Sounds good. All right, man. Cool. Cool. Have a good one. Thanks, man. Yo, you killed it on the grill, bro. Right on.